In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto send messages in WhatsApp. Scheduling a message is perfect when you want a birthday greeting to land at the right moment, need to send a reminder during work hours, or want to reach someone in a different time zone without staying up late. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can set it up quickly and confidently. First, open WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on the web. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the correct account. If you use multiple devices, stick with one for this setup so you don't accidentally send from the wrong place. Next, choose the chat where you want your scheduled message to go. This can be an individual conversation or a group. Double check you've selected the right recipient, especially if you have similarly named chats. For group messages, remember that everyone in the group will receive it, so consider the timing for different time zones and avoid very early or very late hours if you can. Now compose your message in the message bar exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to proofread. Scheduled messages are sent as is, so check names, dates, and links, and avoid including any sensitive information. If the message relates to a specific event, it helps to mention the date or context within the text, so it still makes sense later. You can use emojis, line breaks, and WhatsApp's basic formatting like bold or italics to keep it clear and friendly. Here's the important part. Don't tap the send arrow. Instead, press and hold the green send arrow. Holding it down should open the scheduling option. If you tap it quickly, it will send immediately, so keep that press steady until you see the scheduler appear. If you don't see an option to schedule, the feature may not be available on your device or version yet, so updating the app can help. When the scheduling panel opens, set the exact time you want the message to go out and confirm. Pay attention to your device's time zone and the recipient's local time if that matters. Look over the preview one more time. Once you confirm, WhatsApp will queue the message to send automatically at your chosen time. That's it. You've set an auto send message in WhatsApp. For best results, keep your device connected around the scheduled time and avoid closing the app completely if your setup depends on your phone. With this simple flow, you can plan your communication ahead, stay organized, and never miss the perfect moment to send a message.